Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. So guys, in today's video again I have a beautiful collection of cushions. These cushions are amazing and beautiful with the beautiful bright colors. They can bring a beautiful vibe or life to your simple looking house. You can place them anywhere in your living room, your dining room, your drawing room, or your bedroom also. Now so many cushions on the beds are in fashion now, so you just make these beautiful patterns of cushions with different colors and add them to your simple plain bed sheet. They will enhance the whole room, enhance the beauty of your bedroom. Or you can just make these beautiful flowery cushions and place it on your simple looking sofa. They will enhance the beauty of your drawing room, and liveliness will be added to your drawing room by these little ideas. You can see these are super stylish with flower patterns on them. They are super colorful with the beautiful patterns and combination of different colors. As you can see, these kind of cushion can be added on your bed, beautiful and stylish. If your room is just plain in the same white color, you will just add this beauty of colors in really artistic way to just make your house beautiful. You can see this cushion with granny square with the flowers. They are super cute, and I just personally love the combinations in this collection. You can see these are so many colors with the beautiful combinations. As you can see, these are really amazing. I hope you liking and enjoying the video. I hope you liking the all videos which I am sharing on my channel. The content is amazingly beautiful and especially for you, so that you just don't miss out any collection, any design which is being used or in fashion nowadays. Cushion are amazing way to just give your house a beautiful and colorful look, and they are comfortable also. You just add these coziness and comfort to your house by these cushions. Guys, I hope you liking the collection and my ideas which I share with you. If you like them, please let me know in the comment. Give me your feedback so that I make more videos accordingly, and just let me just give you more ideas and help me out with your comments so that I can just make more video, and I can just know what else you want to watch, what ideas you want to take from my videos, so that I make the collections accordingly. I just bring the collection to you so that you take ideas for your upcoming projects which you are making for your house, for your loved ones. I have so many collection on the channel which are for mats, curtains, for living, you can say lifestyle or the fashion, because there are so many frocks and dresses of women and children on my channel. You can have any idea about the crochet you want to have. Just go through the videos on my channel. You will find hundreds and hundreds of ideas, and you will love them. All are beautiful and stylish. I make this video to just make sure that you don't miss out beautiful collection which is being in fashion or in trends. So guys, I just need a little appreciation for that. Just subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that when I make more videos, you get the notification and you just find and watch these video on time, and you can share these beautiful collections with your loved ones and your friends so that they also have idea what's going on, what is in trending, what's in fashion nowadays, which patterns is new, the stitches and the pattern of crochet which are new in nowadays. You can just have any idea. These are really amazing with beautiful colors and patterns. You can see they are really beautiful colors are used in this collection of cushion. Crochet cushions are most favorite of people and my personal favorite. You can see they just bring a instant brighter look to your house. A really beautiful and vintage look can be added to your house by placing these beautiful cushions. They are really feels like an artistic piece. This is a really hard work to make these patterns. It takes time and dedication to make these beautiful collection for your house. You can see all the designs are different from each one and patterns are different from each one, because in crochet art there is no limit of design, patterns and colors. You can make anything with this art. I just personally love and love to find more things about the crochet, so that's why I just make more videos for you, so that you also have idea about the trending and fashion.